So let's talk about Unity Software. The stock was slightly down for the week. This is the weekly chart. Price gap lower and then continued lower, although closing off the lows for the week to end the week at $20.77. This is the monthly chart. You can see this white band is and was support, now resistance. One thing to note, price is in an uptrend, but it needs to clear and close above this band before price continues higher. You did get two fake outs. Fake outs because we never got the close above the band. Now before we continue with the analysis, let's look at why stock was down this week. So over the past few days, stock market players seemed as if it was unified in bearishness about the prospects of Unity Software. After all, the stock was down in price by more than 50% week to date as of early Friday morning. Two recent analyst moves played a role in the decline. So during the week, no less than 3 pundits weighed in with updates on Unity. Although one was positive, it's clear the market took the more downbeat take. Now, before the market opened on Monday, influential Wells Fargo analyst Brian Fitzgerald cut his price target on Unity stock by $5 per share for a new level and target at $22. Despite the change, he maintained his existing recommendation of equal weight hold, in other words. Same day, you have Macquarie's Aaron Lee upgrading his recommendation on Unity. While such a move would usually be a catalyst for the price pop, Lee's adjustment only shifted his view on the stock from underperform to neutral. At least he raised his price target on the shares to $24, a piece from the preceding $16. Then you had another analyst at JMP Securities, analyst Andrew Boone, who now believes the stock should be tagged as an outperform with a $30 price target, replacing his previous market perform hold designation. According to the report, Boone believes the upcoming launch of the new vector ad platform could capture market share for the company. Now, Unity surely has much to prove with Vector, not to mention its other product launch. We call it Graphics Engine Unity 6. The form is the more tantalizing as it harnesses AI to do its work, and such technology is in demand from all types of businesses. So don't count the stock out yet, no matter how unpopular it's been recently. All right. So, got analysts, bearish and bullish. You have, however, the price action bullish. Yes, price decline, but price at the moment is respecting this weekly uptrend. So what's going to be interesting is starting the week off, we see a bounce from current levels to retest the band at about $25. Let's drill down to the daily. Now, this is price action you like to see, right? Prices are making higher highs and higher lows. The question is price en route to this trajectory? Only time will tell. If price is going to go lower, though, we need to see candle closes below this 200-day moving average. Right now, it is serving as dynamic support. We did get a fake out previous back in mid-February. Nevertheless, let's see the price action on Monday and through the week. But I'm looking for a bounce at current levels. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.